So welcome back.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
So let us start where we left. I am going to share my screen again.
Okay, sir.
Where I was, yes, I was there. So we are here and we told that it is 4 times. Now our square has become 4 times. Now how
Yeah.
you can say that it is 4 times? You can count the cells. You see that it is grid 1 and grid 2, two cells here. But here it is 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8. So 2 into 4, 8. So I can say it has increased 4 times. Is not it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So this is a square. And we have scaled it up. And then similar way, I will go there, move and copy, and okay. And this is square. We can say down, small. So here we will put again 0.5 and 0.5. So now you can see there is 4 unit and geometrically it is 1. So it is 1/4. You can say 1/4. Geometrically it is you have seen, but we have a mathematical formula also to know that how much it can reduce or increase. Okay, that is called determinant. What is the determinant? How we will get
How to make half? Sir, I forgot how to make half.
half?
This is
Actually
fourth.
we calculate the values here. You should get the determinant half. In some
Okay.
numbers you have to, I think, 0.7,
Second count just.
yeah,
0.7, I think.
0.7
0.7.
something, and then it can be half.
Oh, yes, yes. That is my idea. Okay, okay.
Uh,
0.5 root over.
So you have to select that. But here determinant determines the how much enlargement or shortening will be there. So how will calculate it? In Excel you can calculate is equal to m determ. This is the code m determ, and just we want to determine the determinant of our transformation matrix. So I have selected the transformation matrix and then enter. You see 0.79, close to that half. So this will be
Sir, just a second.
0.707 and 0.707. It can be around 5. It is round. If you round it, it will be 0.5. So like that
Okay.
you can.
Sir,
Okay.
just a second, please.
Hmm? This is the thing, and
So what is determinant? What does it do?
determinant is actual use it that how much enlargement or shortening of the object happens, the physical
Okay.
significance. And I will, when after this transformation, no, when we learn linear algebra, there also I will discuss the concept of determinant, where from it comes and how it determines. Okay,
Okay.
I will
Yes.
go in details, but I have shown you that geometrically it determines size, how much enlargement or shortening happening here, that it determines. And
Okay, sir.
if here you can say it is 4 times, so how it will be there? You just calculate the determinant,
Okay, okay.
m determ. So m determ, and then it is, you see this determinant is 4, so you can
Okay.
guarantee that it will it has enlarged
Yeah,
4.
okay, 4 times.
Yeah. So this is about scaling. Now we will be doing some shearing. What we call shearing? Shearing is means non-uniform scaling. Means here before going to discuss shearing, one thing you can observe that this diagonal element, I am coloring it.
So what?
This is the diagonal element. You can say see that
Okay.
there is 4 elements, no, but this
Yeah.
main diagonal, it is called main diagonal elements. These
Okay.
main diagonal elements are for scaling. It can scale up or it can scale down. So any
Okay, sir.
number other than main diagonal is called off diagonal. Blue color, these two cells, you can say this is diagonally. These cells are called off diagonal. So any values
So
there,
what is the spelling?
main diagonal,
Okay, main diagonal and
off diagonal, O
अच्छा,
double F.
okay, off diagonal. I heard something else.
This is off and main. Yeah. So this is, and this is diagonals.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So if there is some elements, then it will the deformation is, you see that how ununiform deformation can happen. So this is called shearing,
Okay.
distortion.
Oh,
It
Okay,
is not maintaining its regular shape. So this type of transformation is called shearing. Okay.
okay.
So off diagonal is for shearing. Main diagonal is for scaling. You can write down some notes future, because 6 types of transformation, no. So you can from the elements, by seeing the elements or changing the elements, you can tell that what effect it will have.
okay, sir.
Main diagonal is for scaling, off diagonal is for shearing.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now I will be taking this same and make a copy, and then we'll go there and move to end, and okay. And now I will be doing some reflection. So let me name it reflection. Now reflection, what will happen? Suppose your my object was, I will put first 0, 0, 0, 0. Now reflection, okay. Now you see that this is your square, and you have placed a mirror at y-axis, suppose. So what will happen? This square will reflect towards, this is first
Yeah.
quadrant to second
Yeah.
quadrant, no. So
Yeah.
how you can do that? Just
Okay,
you.
sir,
Hmm.
should we put -1 in both the main diagonals?
No, actually, you think when your mirror is at
Oh,
y-axis,
-1. Okay, yeah, it would be.
-1, only your x-axis value should be changed to negative. It is positive means right side, negative
Oh,
means
yeah,
left
yeah. Then
side.
it would go in the third quadrant.
So
Yeah.
it will be only -1 put here. So you can see that,
Sir, okay, I tried. Yeah, -1 and 1.
yeah, you can see now that -1 and 1. Okay.
Because y-axis needs to be the same
So
only.
this is
So you
this
multiply
is
1.
about mirror is about y.
Okay, sir.
Why? And mathematics is so simple way you can learn every activity. There are means to accomplish uh, complex activities in a simple manner. So this is a reflection y. Now if your mirror is at x-axis, so reflection x, how we can do that? create a copy, and here you put it 1 and it will be -1.
Okay.
It will go in the.
So your mirror is at x-axis. Mandar, is
Yes,
it
sir.
okay? Can you
What, sir?
follow this?
Yeah, sir. Yes. Hello. Sir?
Yes,
Yeah, are you able to hear me, sir?
yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. I'm able to follow.
So have you done this reflections?
Doing, sir.
Just a second. Yeah, done.
Done. Okay. What about Mandar?
I'm doing, sir.
Okay.
Sir, so after transformation, there is we did transformation, and then we did
Then these are all required for modeling, because what you do in modeling. Suppose you throw a projectile object and it is moving,
yeah.
so you are transforming continuously.
Okay, yeah.
So mathematical modeling, so all those things will be required for mathematical modeling, because you are dealing with a dynamic world. So all the types of movements you have to capture.
Yeah,
Earlier,
yeah.
earlier it was used to be captured by analytical means. Analytical means with formulas. But
Yeah,
when
yeah.
you learn with formulas, you will fail to understand the
Yeah,
actual what is happening in background. Now you can
yeah, yeah.
see it what is happening, and
Yeah,
formulas also there. We will derive this analytical formula also later once we learn these basic things.
Okay, sir.
So
okay.
Mandar, complete.
Yeah, sir. Uh, I'm doing, sir.
Uh,
Okay, then
what?
here it is -1.
Yes.
Yeah. Just a minute, sir. No, sir. No. It's not giving me error.
Are you able to do?
Yeah, just a minute.
Okay, no. Take your time.
Why
Why you are facing problem? Tell me.
Yes, sir. I'm doing it like giving some array can't be changed error. I'm just doing that again, trying that again. Just a minute. Nah, sir, it's giving me some error.
You can you share? I am making you host. You share your screen.
Yeah,
Okay.
sir. Okay, now I guess it. Nah, it's still giving me some error. Yeah, just a minute. Nah, sir, I'm not host, sir.
Let me check. Now you are a host. You share your screen.
Yeah.
Mandar. Yes.
Yeah, sir. Sir, when I run this,
Hmm.
yeah, it's only giving four rows while I've selected it here, and then it just gives you can't change part of an array.
I think you have done an error here.
Yeah.
You are doing individually like that?
Just
You remove all the data and do it from scratch?
yes.
XY data, AB, XY data you remove.
Now it's not allowing me to go anywhere.
You select all the data and then it will allow. You select all the data. Individually you cannot delete. Yes, delete it. Delete everything.
I am pressing delete. It's not
No, you don't have to press delete. Press that right click. The right click. First right click.
delete.
No, you don't have to delete like this. You need to
I
clear the
will.
contents.
Cut.
No.
No,
Select it again. Select it again.
Just done.
Uh,
It's not allowing me
yeah.
to do anything. No, it's just hanging like this.
No, you don't. Wait a second.
Yes.
Click
What
somewhere
to
else. Click any other cell. Don't do anything. First, click any other cell. Yeah. And now take your cursor and select all these. Now press right click the mouse. Yeah, right click. Now clear contents.
Okay. Yeah,
Now you start from scratch. No.
No,
First you
first select.
Select the
First select.
cells.
Select all this. Select the cells.
4 rows and 2 cells. You remove that formula.
Yeah, I forgot about that. No.
First
Yeah.
that. Yes. Now is equal to now MMULT. Now array 1. Yes.
Yeah.
Control Alt delete. Yes. Now it is okay.
Sir, but then why just giving me
You
this?
put it 0 here.
Why?
Instead of 2, you put it 0. At Y.
Why
E3.
couldn't
Yeah,
E3.
I'll modify that system.
Yes. 0.
Yeah. No.
Yes.
Yeah, I guess.
You got it. Yeah. Very good.
Yes.
So now you make me host.
Yes.
You yes, good. Thank you. Now let us go back to my screen. And I think this one. So we are here, okay?
Yeah.
Now what I will be doing, I will be taking this same worksheet and we'll copy it, move at the end, and then okay. So here what we'll be doing, what we have done till now. Can you tell what transformation we have done till now, Mandar?
Sir, we have done scaling, shear, and reflection.
Yes. Now we will be doing rotation. How to rotate? Okay. So let us rotation. And when I will be doing rotation, this rotation will take place about the origin. Okay. So about the origin, so we will include that origin also in our box. So it will be kite-like thing, so that it will be rotating around origin. So I will putting here 0 and 0, and then I am adding that to our figure. Okay, now you see this is kite-like thing. Now we
Yes.
will be similar thing we have to do for our transformation also. We have to add that row also. Now this is we have achieved and Control Alt Delete. So this this was reflection. Now you can see the reflection also.
Sir, just a second, please. Sir, just a second.
Yes.
Uh, I'm facing a problem.
Now you see this how it has reflected, because I have not changed reflection matrix.
Okay, yeah.
Mandar, when you ready, you tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Ready?
sir, the screen is turning off.
Huh?
Screen share I am not able to see.
Oh, why?
You can't see my screen?
Yeah, sir, I can't. I'll try to see the problem here.
Your screen, you remove your screen, I think. Can you see all of us?
Yes, sir, I can. Okay, and now I can see the screen.
Okay.
Good.
Now you see that it has to be rotated. Now rotation, all x, y, all the points should move at equal angle, is not it, for rotation? You
Yes.
cannot move one point at certain angle and other point at certain angle. Yeah, then this object
Facing a
get
problem.
distorted. Anything, Janvi?
I'm facing a problem.
What you tell?
I'm not like this origin did when I added the 0 0,
Hmm.
my that multiplied matrix, the 0 0 didn't appear, so I'm
No,
not
no,
able
no.
to.
You have to add that also. No, when it will automatically, it will not take. When you click here, you see that I am clicking that formula and adding these the whole numbers.
Oh, okay.
You have to add this. The mine was before to C9. Earlier it was C8. So I have added say C9. But this transformation matrix is same. So I have not changed that. And then
Okay.
again you have to apply Control Alt Delete again.
Sir, I got this type thing.
Hmm.
Oh no.
Sir, I think we multiply the y by one thing.
Y by?
Y by one.
What?
Yeah, -1.
Okay.
Y by -1. Yes, you are right.
Okay, now I'm able to, thank God.
Very good, very good. So let us now finish the rotation. Okay. So rotation, anything is to be rotated at an angle, is not
Yes.
it? So we will add that angle, but here every point individually adding the point is very difficult. No.
Yeah.
So we will play a trick. What is that? Our this is suppose T is the angle. T or theta, this is angle, and I want to rotate it at 0.5. 0.5 radian. Here it will take everything in radian.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So what we will be doing, rotation, we have learned a formula in trigonometry. I don't know, Mandar, have you done anything in trigonometry?
Yeah, I know the basic concepts, sir. I have
Okay,
like done some
very good.
concepts.
Yes. Do you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, this identity?
Yeah, I don't know.
No, sir. Sir, I don't know that.
Okay.
That is in 11th class or 10th class. 10th class.
Yeah, actually, I had seen, but I got a little confused after when I reached to the cos, tan, all that.
So when I will teach you, trigonometry, in one day you will learn all those things. There is actually the way they teach, it is a real sense. I left my in class 9, no. I left mathematics actually. I am now teaching mathematics, but in school I have no
Yeah, this
mathematics.
is true.
Uh,
And even the way like the teachers teaches,
Uh,
sometimes it's horrible.
Yes,
yeah,
I
it's really
took
hard to
biology. I
understand.
shifted to biology, though I was
Oh,
good in mathematics. But due to this identities, no, so many identities, then calculus formulas, I thought I cannot remember all those things. So I
oh,
shifted in biology. But later I realized that it is not, means if we learn properly, it is very easy subject, and that I am actually trying to teach all the students.
yeah.
Yeah, sir.
So that formula, identity formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. I am writing it again.
So you have put dollar sign instead of.
Oh, sorry. This is the
I,
formula. Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
yeah, sir.
Anvi, do you know that what this formula means? What was the action of this formula? Means effect of this formula?
No, sir.
So it means that it means that when we add sine theta squared plus cos theta squared, the answer is 1. So
Yes.
sine, like what is your
You are
question?
right. You are right. But what is the effect of that?
Mm,
It is a formula, but why we learn that?
Sir, it is applicable in many places. I'm
So
not so
that
sure where
formula
it is
I will be
applicable
using
exactly.
here. Okay.
Yeah,
You know what is the determinant? Determinant is the multiplication, cross multiplication of these cells, and
yeah.
then subtraction.
Okay.
Okay.
So actually this is the thing, no?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Determinant,
Yeah, that's the determinant.
in determinant, suppose your cells are, this will discuss later also, but as the time, suppose AB and CD, these are the elements.
Okay.
Okay,
A, B,
sir.
C, D.
This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. They are four. So this is your matrix or transformation matrix. So what does the determinant means? You know?
So determinant will be AD minus CD, BC
AD minus
minus BC.
CB.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is that. So this formula, along this formula, we will be using for rotation. Okay, now we will see how we will do that. So after 10 minutes, we will move and tomorrow again 7:30 we'll start 7:30 and we'll finish the 3D tomorrow. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So because after 10 minutes this will go off. So beforehand I
Yeah,
am telling
right.
you.
Got it. Yeah.
So what we will be doing here, I will be putting cos t, cos, and this is my t. 0.5 is common to all.
Yeah.
0.5 radian will be rotating. So formula will be minus sin t.
Right.
And why I am writing these things, I will also explain that.
Okay.
You see, I am all sin cos I am putting here.
Here it will be cos 0.5. No?
Yes,
Equal to
here will be
cos.
cos. Yes.
Sir, can you please
I will be showing. Now you see this, I have put the formula and it values has come. But you can see that what are the formulas here, I have written here. How you can do that? You go to the formulas. Here is you can see at the menu bar, here is the formulas and
So,
yes, tell me.
yeah.
can you please, for a second, can you please click on each of the cells which you...
No, you follow me. You follow me. What I am telling.
Okay,
I am
sir.
telling that here the data is there, but you don't able to see the formulas. No. So how you can
Yes.
see the formula?
Oh, okay, okay,
If
okay.
you want to see the formula, you select the cells and go to that formula menu,
Okay, okay,
and
formula.
then
Okay.
show formula. Here you can see that show
Acha.
formula icon.
Yeah.
It is there, so you click it and you see that
Oh,
your formulas here, it is showing all the formulas whatever I have written, the formulas you see
Yeah,
that
I'm able to
cos
see now.
infinity.
okay, sir.
Can you see these formulas?
Yes, sir.
You can see
Yes, sir.
that all the formulas in formula bar, and you can hide it, show formulas, you can click, then everything will be.
Okay, sir.
So I'm repeating it. You see that all this E3 cell is this 0.5. So I am this is the angle. With that angle, I am rotating all these points, and for that I have put these formulas cos, sine, and minus sine. Now you can see the determinant. We told that A and D. So A and D here cos E3, cos E3. So it is cos square theta. Then minus sine square theta means plus sine square theta. So this formula has come sine square theta plus cos square theta. And it's, if you calculate it determinant, it will be 1.
Okay.
And when you study in higher linear algebra and higher mathematics, no, then they will tell that they will tell that it is orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix means whose determinant is 1. And you can
Oh,
see that if I close these formulas, then you will see that this determinant, this formula is determinant, no? Its determinant is always 1. So when it moves, the determinant will be 1. And
Okay,
it
sir.
also, again another thing it point out, that it will not change the shape. It will not enlarge, it will not shrink. So
sir,
rotation
can you please show your that
graph,
picture? Can you please show that figure form?
yes,
Why is distorted? Yeah, what is this?
it
Acha, this has moved 0.5 radians, right?
is rotated at that angle, 0.5
Okay,
radian
I was
angle.
wondering what has happened to the figure.
It
So,
is happening.
0.5 radian is somewhere around 20.
You need not calculate. You just use formula. What is the formula? This radian into 180 divided by pi.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
see that how I am writing pi. In Excel, you need not write the pi value. You just
Okay.
write pi and brackets it will
Acha,
take
acha.
so many easy thing. Otherwise somebody put pi is equal to 3.14, someone will put
Yeah, because that is not
3.141.
that is the approximate value and not the real value.
Yeah, so they will be taking the standard values automatically. So this is the
Sir, my Excel is giving
Yeah, I was also
different sign values.
how what it is giving.
Different sign values. It's giving 479426.
Formula.
Yeah.
Yeah, wait a second. Which one are you talking? The second one is 0.479426 only.
That may
Okay.
change depending on that
Values.
your 32 bit or 64 bit depending on that this values may change, but it is around 28.4 or 28.6 degree. So up to this, okay. Now you see this, if you want to change this 0.6, you see, so one
Yeah, then
radian
that is
it
the
will
Yeah.
how it is rotating, you can say 2 radian how it
Wait.
is saying. So
Oh wow.
now you
Uh,
see, manually putting these values no very tedious and cumbersome, and it is not a good method.
Oh,
So we require to animate it. How we can animate? We will do something when these values will change, then this rotation will happen. So we will
okay.
change the radians 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that, and we should able to see that what is the rotation corresponding to that, and that is called animation.
Okay.
okay, okay, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow we will do animation of this, how to put that animation, because I think now it will close very shortly. So I am not going to discuss animation now.
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I tried different values of E3
Hmm.
at
Yes,
E3
sir. I am also
values,
type.
and at 0.471 something 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 there is a reflection form. Not really reflection. Yeah, it's reflection only y-axis. So it turned all the way around, and a reflection was made.
So you might have taken some. I
Yeah, but it was really hard taking. Yeah, I was like taking some approximate values to find.
no. You can if you see that if you put these pi values, no pi values, what will happen? It will be reflecting around the origin.
Oh yeah,
Uh,
Oh,
so if you take it 2 pi,
yeah, because pi is 180.
yes. So
Yeah, yeah, pi is 180.
so similarly, you can do any number of all those things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now I'll how I will animate it tomorrow. Will be
Okay.
we'll learn, but today we'll give some hints about translation. You see, we have not yet talked about translation. What about transformation we have done till now? Janvi, what are the transformation we have done?
So the transformation we have done is scaling
Hmm.
and shearing, reflection.
Yes.
sir, I am not getting reflection.
We are doing rotation, no reflection. I am not doing.
No, no, in rotation, sir, you said I could get like reflection here when I enter the pi value.
Hey, pi value it will reflection. This figure are you getting as I my figure?
No, no, sir. I'm getting same values, but I'm getting just I'm not getting the plot here, sir.
Okay, okay. I am making you host again, and you show me.